Hello guys, welcome to Matrix Engineers again. In our last previous video, we was talking about variables, how to define variables, how to declare what's a variable, how to declare variables, and the other things. So today we are going to talk about building data types in Python. So in programming, data types is an important concept. As we talked about variables, variable can store data of different data types, and the different data types can do different things. So Python have built-in data types by default. We have text type where we find in string. We have numeric types where we find numeric types is like numbers, where we find integer, float, and complex. We have sequence types as a data types where we find list, tuple, range. We have mapping types where we found dictionary. We have set types where we find set, frozen set. We have boolean where we found bool. Bool is like true or false. And you have binary types where we find byte, array, and memory view. So now we are going to start with numeric types or Python numbers. Let's start by writing codes. So this is what I was doing in our last previous video. We can start by creating our new file. Let's call it numbers. Let's call it numbers. So we are going to start with Python numbers. Python numbers. So in Python numbers, as we said, we have three numeric types: integer, float, and complex. So we can start by declaring variables of those numeric types. Like, let's start with creating a variable a with its value equal to and the variable b equal 2.5 and the variable c equal to j. So for this let's use a comment. This is integer. This is float, and this is complex number. So these are the Python numbers or numeric types. A equal to, which is integer, b equal 2.5, which is float, and c is equal to j, which is complex number. So to verify the class of variable data type, we use type of function as we said it in our last previous video. We can verify the variable data types using type function. So this is a comment, no problem. What they're going to, we comment this for one line. So we are going to verify the variable a print. After print function, we use type to verify data types of a variable. Type A. Let's display the output on the screen. You see it is an integer. A equal to, which is integer. So we're going to verify B, which is float. Let's put there B. You see, B is a float number, and C with 2J is a complex number. Let's verify if it's a complex number. See, you see it is a complex number. So now I can say we are going to start with integer. Integer is a whole number. Integer is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, and it has unlimited length. So let's start by explaining integer. So integer is a whole number, negative or positive, without decimals, with unlimited length. Let's declare different value. Let's say d equal 1, 2. E equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0. And F equal minus 54. So we are going to display the value. Let's comment this. We are going to display to check these integers. Use type. You can do practice of this yourself if you have a PC computer. Let's verify D is a positive number, D is integer, positive integer number. E is an unlimited integer number, unlimited length integer number, E. Let's print E. E, unlimited integer number. You see, even if we add 665, it's going to be integer number. It is unlimited length. So F is negative integer. Let's print F. So you see, it's an integer number, negative integer number. So now we are going to deal with floating numbers. So we can comment all of this by using three quotation, double quotation, three double quotation. So I'm going to comment all of this for Python numbers, no problem. So now we are going on a float x float. On a float is a number, positive or negative, containing decimal, one or more decimals. Float is a positive or negative containing one or more decimals. Let's give an example. Let's say a equal 1.0, b equal example minus 25. So we are going to verify the variable data types. Print type A. A is a positive number, positive floating number. You see, A is a positive floating number. It's a float because of dot A equal 1.0 or A equal 1.0. We can also display B. B is about, there is a, you can say minus 25.7. So in order to make it a floating number, it must have dot. So let's print B. You see, it's a floating number. B equal minus 25.7 minus 25.7. It's a floating numbers. So now we are going on complex numbers. So complex numbers, no, let me give you some other things that we have to know. A float can also be a scientific number with a letter E, which specifies the power of 10, or it can use letter E to indicate the power of 10. Let me give you an example. So we can say C equal, for example, 24E3. Let's print C, value of C. You see, this is a float. This E indicate the power of 10. We can also use calculator. Let's check. You see, it's a float. So you can use small letter or capital letter E for indicating the power of 10 in a float. So now we are going to talk about complex number. Complex numbers. Complex numbers. So complex numbers are written with J as imaginary part. Letter J are written with number for complex number. Let's say example, let's write and B equal 3 plus 7J. Let's use also write C equal minus 5J. So we are going to print the data types of value A. Now use type function for verifying the data type of variable. Let's see the data types of A. It is a complex number. Class for data type of A is a complex number. We can check because it has 6 with imaginary part of J. We also have B, which is equal 3 plus 7J. Let's check variable of, if you take a number, integer plus complex number, the variable is going to be a complex number. Variable is going to be a complex number. You see, B is a complex number because the integer plus complex number 7, 3 as integer plus 7J, 7 with imaginary part J, complex number. This is a negative complex number. Rate print C is a negative complex number. You see, it is a complex number. Guys, I hope this lesson are helping you. So if you like a video, do subscribe for getting the following update about the following video, or we'll focus on string. Many parts about a string we will cover are there. So we will focus on a string for the next video. If you like this video, do subscribe and get updates about the Python course. Thank you.